Namaste children. We have almost completed the second unit and today we are going to revise the concepts that we have studied in the unit. Okay, shall we begin? First, what is a pattern? The sequence in which something is being repeated is called as a pattern. Now look at the example. Now here the first one is a triangle and then a square, then a pentagon is there. Next, again a triangle, square and pentagon is there. So this is one pattern, okay. It is being repeated again. After this pentagon, again the triangle, square and pentagon, okay. So this is a pattern for shapes. Next, patterns in number operations. A set of numbers will be given and we must find out the pattern that is being followed here. Now look at the example, 5, 10, 15, 20 and it goes on. So what is the common thing that we can notice? So after 5 is added and then we are getting the second number 10. And with 10, again 5 is added and we are getting the number 15. With 15, again 5 is added and then 20. So this sequence goes on. Okay. So the pattern in number operations we can find out like this. Clear? Now next one, understanding operations on variables. Variables means we will be assuming it and finding the answer. Now, we will assume a variable n and when that n value is changing, the corresponding n plus 3 value will also change. Okay. For example, when n is 5, what will happen to n plus 3? You have to substitute this n as 5 and add with the 3. So, the answer will be 8. Clear? So, operations on variables is the value of one variable changes, the corresponding answer will also be changing. Is it clear? Next, framing algebraic expressions. The question will be in the form of a sentence like this. We have to find out the algebraic statement. Now, read this question. There are n number of apples. Okay, the number is n. If 5 more apples are added, they are telling that 5 more apples are added. Okay, so we are adding this 5 with this n. What is the total number of apples in the basket now? So already there are n number of apples in the basket. We are going to put another 5 apples. So the equation becomes n plus 5. Clear? This is how we will frame a algebraic statement. And the next concept we learnt is converting verbal statements to algebraic statements. The same thing that we learned previously. Here also it will be given in the form of a verbal statement and then we are going to convert to algebraic statement. Okay. 11 is multiplied by m. The keyword multiplied tells us that there is a cross sign here. Okay. So 11 is multiplied by m. Okay. This is how we will represent it as a algebraic statement. The next concept is converting algebraic statements to verbal statements. So they will give in the form of an algebraic statement and we are going to write it into verbal one. That is, we will be writing the answer in sentence. Now 6 plus y is there. So what you will write? The number 6 is added to y. Okay. Or we can say, since it is addition, it is commutative, right? So we can say either ways. Or else how we can say? Y is added to 6. Okay. Next one. Last concept that we learnt is solving unknowns through example. Solving unknowns. The word unknown means it will be a variable. Okay. So, look at this example. Adiyan is P years old and Mugilan is elder to Adiyan by 6 years. Okay. So, age of Adiyan is given. It is denoted as a variable P and Mugilan is elder to Adiyan by 6 years. So, Mugilan's age will be P plus 6. Now, for today's activity, you will do this. Look at the question. A piece of wire 12 centimeter long, okay, 12 centimeter long. What will be the length of the side if it is formed as an equilateral triangle and a square? First, you are going to take instead of this wire, we will take a thread. Okay, it is easily available at our home. Normal thread that mom uses to tie flowers, right? So you are going to take a thread and also take your scale, measure it. Okay, it is going to be 12 centimeter. You will take a thread and measure it for 12 centimeter. Okay, a equilateral triangle means how it will be? All the three sides will be equal. So in order to find this, what we have to do? This 12 should be divided by 3 and the answer will be 4. So this thread is going to be cut into 3 equal parts. Okay, this one should be 4 centimeter, this one 4 centimeter, and this one also should be 4 centimeter. And now you are going to cut this thread into 3 pieces and then you are going to stick it. So this is one part of the thread, the next part should be stuck here and the next part should be stuck here. Okay, this is how we will form the equilateral triangle. For second subdivision, you will take a thread for again 12 centimeter long thread you are going to take and you are going to construct a square with it. In order to construct a square, we need 4 sides. Okay, so this 12 should be divided by 4 so that each side will be 3 centimeter. So this thread, 12 centimeter thread is taken and then you are going to cut it into 4 equal parts. Okay, each part should be 3 centimeter and then each 3 centimeter part should be stuck. Picture to me. Okay, if you forward to your class mentor, she will send it to me. Okay, thank you children.